Alright, we are showing Dream's latest litter. Pablito Dream babies. This is a male brown collar. Only 1 day old. Alright, here's another male blue collar. It's got some blue and white. Good girl. Alright. And we have another male.
You look like her.
Blue and white. Black collar. Only 1 day old. Female. Red collar. I'm putting them right back. Female, yellow collar. Looking like some champagne and white or fawn and white. And green collar. Very, very pretty. She has more of a reddish tint to her.
The white might be small. Let me see her face.